Welcome Stalkers and Slasher fans. This is first in a new series of what I like to call How to Cosplay. So looking through my array of different cosplays and costumes, I came to realise I have yet to try out the original Ghostface Fun World costume for you guys. I'm used to wearing my own one I made myself, which you guys have seen my other videos, so I thought I would give you guys an idea of how to pull this costume off. I would recommend essentially going for the plus size with this costume, as it does come up quite small if you are going to get the, I guess it may be called regular size. Now it's not a screen accurate cosplay we're talking about today. After all, this is the Fun World robe and it is not at all screen accurate to any of the Scream movies. And as you can see from the picture itself, and if you're a fan of Scream, you're more than blatantly aware of this fact. So let's start off. The costume comes with a hard plastic mask, that is if you do get one for recent costumes. The older ones came with the original vinyl masks. So what I would recommend, opting into getting, dare I say, an ultra wide. Yeah, fucking said it. Well, we've all been there. As you've seen in my previous ultra wide video, I have a bit of a disdain for the mask. You'll also need a knife. All I did here was paint up my own knife I found online. I'll leave a link in the description for a video where I painted this one up. Also, some gloves. I chose leather because it just looks badass. And then, if you can find it, the voice changer that's used in the first film. I found this one on eBay, they're quite easy to find. And then don't forget the boots. Boots are very important, as you'll see it's something that's pinpointed in the movies, in various scenes. I went for some laced combat boots with straps.
Now let's go full cinematic. Old school slasher style. I just love the sound of leather. The shine of steel. I think I'm getting ready now to stalk. So, this is for cosplay. With the plastic mask, it's not too bad. I actually do love the drapes now. A lot of you in the Scream community probably don't really appreciate them. I know I didn't at first looking at the picture, but I love Dead by Daylight. And this is the same costume that you get for one for cosmetics. Give you a quick little model of how it looks outside. What do you guys think of it? I think it goes together quite well. And for ultra wide, it even pulls it off. So slice and stab and give it a little jig. That's right, you can even dance in this thing. I love a little fighting pose. Beat 'em up style. Now I'd rate this costume quite highly. The quality isn't too good, but once you've got it on, you got the right parts, especially the voice changes just for cinematic impressions. So what do you guys think? So now you're watching the video, leave a fucking comment down below to let me know what you thought of this. I might make some more. Be sure to like the video. And as I always ask you, please fucking share the video. I'd really